Welcome to Kathy's Eclectic Garden. I'm Kathy and I garden in Zone 5B 6A in Northwest Ohio, and we are experiencing our first major winter storm. We're predicted to get 5 to 8 inches of snow, and it's noon, January the 25th, and I think we've probably got 2 to 3 inches now, and it's supposed to snow until 4 o'clock this afternoon. So let's go see what the garden's looking like. We're just going to do a little quick tour because it's a little chilly out here, but this is my hydrangeas, and you can see how pretty they look in the snow. This is why I like to leave plants up all through the winter, because when we get a snow like this, it just makes really pretty pictures in the backyard. And this is the purple fountain grass. It's not purple anymore. There's not much of a fountain to it, but it's looking pretty in the snow. We've got purple coneflower and sunflowers and Weigela, I said that wrong, in here, and they're looking pretty with the snow on them. And over here we've got the Forever Goldie. At least it's got a little color on it. And this is why I like red twig dogwoods in the wintertime. They look so pretty in the snow with that bright red twigs. And this one's really looking pretty today. And this is the hummingbird haven area of the garden. And if you've been watching some of my other videos, you know, this isn't the prettiest area in the wintertime, but when it snows, it turns into a winter wonderland. And this was the mini pocket prairie. And again, I left this up for the birds to get the seeds. And now it's looking pretty covered in snow. Looks like we've had a visitor. We got rabbit tracks in the snow. I'm surprised we're not seeing cat tracks. And here we've got brown-eyed Susan seed heads, all covered in snow. This is one of my native gardens. And this is the Joe Pye weed that I left standing. And if we get much more snow, it's not going to be standing because it's going to fall over. And then we've got common rue here. It's still green. This is the first year I grew that, and I didn't know it would stay green this long. And this is the purple coneflower seed heads that I left standing. And this is another view of the hummingbird haven from the other side of the yard, all blanketed in snow. We did have a bunch of birds out here, but we scared them all off. I think I see a few over there in the honeysuckle bush. Okay, well that's it. It's getting a little cold out here. It's 32 degrees out, and my hands are getting cold. So we'll see you next time.